Women are significantly more prone to thyroid disorders than men. Studies show that they are 5 to 8 times more likely to develop thyroid issues. One major reason is the location of the thyroid gland right in the throat chakra, also known as Vishuddha chakra. Now, as a certified holistic nutritionist, I've learned that health and emotions are deeply connected. You can't separate the two. When the throat chakra is balanced, you can speak your truth with clarity and confidence. However, when underactive, it can cause fear of expression or speaking up, something women often struggle with more than men. This imbalance may contribute to thyroid dysfunction. Now, comment hormone to get a free ebook on hormone health. Now, over 50 hormones have been identified in the human body, but the best way to understand your endocrine system is to think of hormones as an army. Some hormones play commanding roles while others support. The three commanding generals are cortisol, insulin, and thyroid hormones. When these three are optimized, many symptoms of hormone imbalance start to resolve. Next in the rank are the kernels, estrogen and testosterone. You will find in-depth videos on insulin and cortisol in the hormone health playlist on our channel. But today we are focusing on thyroid hormones. So the thyroid is a butterfly-shaped gland located at the base of the neck. It produces hormones that regulate metabolism, energy production, heart rate, and body temperature. The main thyroid hormones are T4, which is the inactive form that converts into T3 as needed, and the T3, which is the active form that regulates metabolism. So the number one root cause of thyroid dysfunction is chronic stress. In fact, stress is linked with a plethora of health problems, and thyroid problems are no exception. Iodine is essential for thyroid hormone production. Deficiency can cause low thyroid levels, while excess can cause high thyroid levels. High levels of selenium, zinc, vitamin D, and iron can impair thyroid function. Chemicals in plastic, pesticides, and heavy metals like fluoride and mercury can interfere with thyroid hormone production. The gut and liver play a significant role in converting T4 into active T3. An unhealthy gut or liver dysfunction can lead to thyroid imbalances. High estrogen levels, also known as estrogen dominance, can reduce the availability of free thyroid hormones, contributing to low thyroid levels. If you or someone you know struggles with 2 or more of these symptoms, thyroid issue may be the culprit. And first is constant fatigue. As always, fatigue is often the precursor to any chronic disease. If the body does not have enough energy, which is termed as fatigue, then the immune cells cannot clear out the toxins and waste products from your cell effectively. Over time, it leads to a diseased body. Other symptoms of thyroid imbalance includes unwanted weight gain or unexplained weight loss, hair thinning or hair loss, brain fog or memory issues, mood swings, depression, anxiety, cold hand and feet, slower digestion or constipation. And a simple blood test can confirm the diagnosis. Healing your thyroid isn't just about taking medication, it requires a whole body approach. I request you to please take a screenshot of these holistic remedies. Now folks, watching this video is step 1, but if you're serious about fixing your hormones once and for all, here's what you need to do next. Comment hormone below and we'll put you on the priority list for early access to a hormone imbalance fix course, plus huge discounts. If you want one-on-one guidance as well to achieve your health and fitness goals, we also offer private coaching options. All details will be shared in your email once the course is launched. I'm Akash and I appreciate your time. I'll see you in the next video.